Multiply 77 by 64 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 7 plus the carried 2 is 30. The first partial product is 308. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 7 is 42. Put 2 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 7 plus the carried 4 is 46. The second partial product is 4,620. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 6 is 9. In the thousands column, bring down 4. The whole negative number product is 4,928. So 77 times 64 is 4,928.